Hey, what's up guys? It's Andrew at Real Rollers. Just wanted to show you really quickly the easiest way to get these bearings out of the end of a roller and how to install the new ones. So by now you might have received your new bearings to replace the old bearings, which are probably worn out. So let's figure this out really quick. One thing that you want to do is go ahead and identify whether or not your little bushing here is seized into that bearing. Either way, you're going to be able to pull that axle out all the way, right? So now we've just got a roller and two bearings. The easiest way I feel to get the old bearings out is to use the axle as a hammer on the inside of the bearing. What I tend to do is try and find a spot in our warehouse that's got some carpet. If you don't have a carpet, you can find a rug in your house, an old piece of wood, 2x4. And what you're gonna wanna do, I'm gonna have Eric follow me to the ground here, is we're gonna take the actual roller and angle the axle inside of the roller against the inside of the bearing, okay? And I'm just gonna take it and use it like a hammer and pop that bearing out. So let's see if we can do it. There it goes, all right? Well, let's do the other side, same thing. All right, guys, so don't worry about the damage that you might cost your old bearings because they're old bearings, right? They're trash. That's the reason that you're watching this video. However, if you seem to feather the end of your axle by hammering out the bearings, just take a file and just kind of file down the ends. If you have a bench grinder, just lightly rotate this around on the end of a bench grinder. It's really not a big deal. You're just gonna put a set screw back on the end of this and you should be good there. So let's go ahead and install our new bearings into the end of the roller. Here again, we use a press here, but it's totally possible to just tap this back into place. Now, I'd suggest hitting it on a solid surface like the ground, but you can use a dead blow like this, or you can use a regular hammer and hammer the end of a 2x4, the narrow side or the broad side. And what you're trying to do is just evenly tap all the way around the edges of the bearings. You can hit it on the center to just kind of press it in, but you're gonna start working all the way around the edge of the roller. And you might have to really get into it. And again, if you put this on a solid surface like a concrete floor, it'll be much easier. We are pressed in there. I'm gonna give it a couple more taps just to make sure it's good. And there we go. We've got the roller ready to go. She's rolling again, ready to mow. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, andrew.draper@realrollers.com. I'll be happy to answer any of the questions that you might have about doing this process, but I hope this helps. Hope you get mowing again soon. Take care.